Profit should be a byproduct of giving the customer a better product, service or experience. It's not the reason for being in business. And I think the great malaise in banking today is that people have forgotten this. Banks think they just exist to make money. I'm Anthony Thomson. I am the founder and chairman of Atom Bank, and Atom is the first bank designed for use specifically and exclusively on mobile devices. People are anxious around money. For the vast majority of millennials, it's how can I make my money last until the end of the month? People are terrified about opening bank statements. They're terrified about checking their balances because they're afraid they're not going to have any money. So it's about redefining that relationship, which is really about redefining the information that you need to make decisions to do with your money. The reality is nobody cares about banking. Nobody likes banking. Our job is to make it as frictionless an experience as possible. And if we can make it pleasant and a bit of fun, that's all the better. But the main thing is you want to do it when, where and how suits you. The first thing is about making it your bank, not our bank. You get your own unique logo. We actually have 1.5 million unique Atom logos. And if you don't like those colours, you can choose some different ones and they will go through the entire app and through your entire experience. We use a biometric gateway. So instead of having to put in a password, you just take a selfie. It's about making it playful. It's about making it an enjoyable experience. We have a Chief Innovation Officer, Edward Twiddy, whose job it is to scan the horizon, both by category, so outside of banking, and by geography, to look at what we can learn. One of the very first things we learned was who gives consumers the best screen experience, and it's generally gaming. So we thought, how do you create a similar kind of experience at the screen for banking? Well, the way you do it is to build it in the same kind of languages that gamers use. And in our case, it's a language called Unity, which enables us to build this incredible three-dimensional model at the screen. We're very happy to steal ideas from anywhere that we can. To be a challenger, you have to do something which is different, and that's what we're setting out to do. It's about believing in what it is that you do. And I sit down with all of the people who join Atom and say, do you believe in what we're doing? If you don't, you shouldn't be here. You shouldn't be here just because it's your job. Life's too short to do something you don't believe in. Great to see you, as always. Well, thank you very much. I won't be starting third one, so this is it.